What's up, business buddies? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is email, LinkedIn to follow up. Engage first on email, follow back using LinkedIn if they haven't replied. And this sequence is perfect if your audience is quite active on email. And these actions that will be applied. You can create the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. And then a plan will show up. We made it easier for you to understand more these templates, and you can follow the steps in a simple way. Next, you're gonna choose the prospects. You can either add all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Next is the email finder. Of course, if you wanna reach out to your prospects via email, you only need to choose their professional email. Next is the conditional statements. If the email is found within 5 days, the next step will be sending the email. Select your email accounts, type your email subjects, and type your message body. Next is the invitation will be sent. Another conditional statement. If the invitation is accepted within 5 days, the next step will be to select the delay you want between the moment your prospect accepts the invitation and the first message that will be sent. And you're gonna type your message. If the condition was, if the prospect didn't accept the invitation within 5 days, then an email will be sent instead. Select your email account, type your email subject and your message body. Click on next. Now we're gonna move to the condition if the email wasn't found within 5 days. Then the step will be an invitation will be sent. Then you must select the delay between the moment your prospect accepts the invitation and the first message that will be sent. Type your message. Now you're gonna select the delay between the first message and the second message. Here you're gonna type your second message. And here you go, your campaign is created.